Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing, and today I have this TickTime. Well, TickTime, it is a countdown and timer with a colorful LED display. Let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it. We've got the instructions. If you want to read, it is your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. And of course we've got the cable for charging, type A to micro USB. It is about 20 centimeters. And there's the TickTime. Nice, I like it. Small and portable, definitely it fits anywhere. You can use it, let's say, at your gym and count down your exercise. It has an electroplated alloy. It feels very durable, well manufactured. And we can see we've got some numbers around 3, 5, 10, 30, 25, 15. Speaker, these gaps working like a bass. We've got two buttons for minutes and seconds and volume down and up. We've got the micro USB port and the colorful LED display. Well, let's charge it. See how it works at the charging process. You need a 5-volt power bank or a power adapter. You can see illuminates all the numbers around, and it starts flashing at this side. That means it's charging. When it stops flashing, that means it is fully charged. Great. I like the old shape. Now, by turning it on, you need to just press one of the buttons, and there you have it. It is turn it on. You can adjust with the buttons minutes and seconds. If you want to have a custom countdown, and just flip it, and it will start the custom countdown. Nice. And of course you can choose 10, 5, 3, 15, 25 or 30 minutes. You can decreasing the volume, mute. You can see here we've got the mute icon, red. Increasing the volume. We've got the battery icon. You can charge it at all time. When it's dropping the battery very low, just press and hold the two buttons, it will turn off. Press one button, it will turn on again. You can use it as a timing. At this side, you can see it's flashing around. Flip it very fast, and there you have 8 seconds, it was your timing. Maximum it goes to 99 minutes and 59 seconds if you choose a countdown or a timing. And again, nice, I like it. Now let's use the custom countdown, 20 seconds. Just we can see the lines are dropping one by one until the end of the countdown, and then we can hear the sound. And there it is, illuminate all the numbers around. Nice, I like it. And again, you can start. It's so small and portable, definitely it can fit anywhere. You can have it at your gym, exercise yourself, count down your exercise, at your school maybe, at your work, for gaming. Let's say you are playing a chess and you need to have a precise countdown, how much remaining time you have. Or when you are cooking, it's very important to have a precise time. When you are cooking at your oven, again, you need to have a precise time. So many ways to use this TickTime. Small and portable, so cute. Definitely you will enjoy it. And it has a magnet at this side. Yep. You can have it on any metal surface. And as you're moving around, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, start the countdown. You can have it at your refrigerator, start the countdown for all your cooking process. One way to use it. I like it, it has a great design, it is a great product. count down everything at any time or use the timing. And it has a built-in 500 mAh lithium battery. Definitely it will last long enough. You don't care about changing batteries, just recharge it and it will be good. Well guys, that was all about it. If you want to buy it, you can check down below to the description. There is a link, just click it and find more information and where you can buy it. It is a great product for me. Thumbs up. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button and that was all. Share this video, you never know who will need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day.